Hey Frosty Clan, it is a crisp March morning out in the tent, and it's time for some coffee and then maybe a box opening. New gear. Although it may be way too windy to do it out here. So, coffee. So it was way too windy to do this unboxing in the field last weekend, camping with family and friends. So we are back in the studio and we're gonna dive in right now. I've got several new pieces of gear. Some are replacements, not replacements, but just duplicates for other family members to use. And that would be starting with the Therm-a-Rest Neo-Lite Uber Light, or Neo-Air Uber Light. And I bought one of these about a year ago, and if you keep up with the FrostySith page on Facebook, you probably already saw that in March, these are being deeply discounted this year. Last year, almost exactly a year ago, March of 2019, I bought one of these for myself. I used it all summer long. I love it. And it was $285 and change at the time. Now they have come out with a new valve on it that's a one-way valve. The original valve is not one-way. And so they've deeply discounted these right now. And if you go to the FrostySith Facebook page, I put links in there. I think the sale ends March 9th or shortly after this, before this video airs. But there'll be other sales going on this. But I actually had somebody use this, and so we couldn't wait for the unboxing. So that's one item. And let's see, where to start? Well, let's start with the Four Sigmatic. And you guys have seen, I've done a whole video on this, and right now I'm just stocking up and hoarding coffee for this spring and summer bigger trips that we're doing. And but just to show you kind of stuff that I get from Four Sigmatic, several different things. And so in straight coffee, I really like these two, and one of them is the Cordyceps and Chaga version, and the other is Adaptogen Coffee Mix. So it's got ashwagandha and tulsi in it. And I love those for just kind of regular coffee, and if you like espresso, you can just minimize the water like espresso, and it's perfect, no mess, don't need a French press, anything like that. It's instant coffee. The other thing is the for the evening is this particular cacao mix, which is like hot cocoa with reishi mushrooms in it. So this is great for in the evening when you're not wanting to, you know, have a lot of caffeine. Let's see, here's another with cordyceps and another adaptogen. And then this chai latte mix, which has turkey tail and reishi in it. And it's another, you know, alternative to coffee that can be used a couple different ways in the field, but it's just a good alternative. So if you like chai, this is a good option. So that is the Four Sigmatic. Let's dig into the Prime. There are several things that are on sale. Amazon has a couple of them that are actually, because of the Prime shipping, if you're a Prime member, they're actually a better deal than going directly to the website where they're selling them, because you're not paying shipping. So this is one of the things that I got, which is the Neo-Air Pump Sack. And this just helps you pump up your air mattress without using your breath and adding humidity to the bag. So it'll minimize mold exposure and keep your bag weight from going up by, you know, adding humidity into the bag. And I did a DIY about a year ago and made one of these, but this one is the actual Therm-a-Rest brand. pump sack. So you can see this basically is like a backpack size liner for the kind of backpack. I mean, this will hold a ton of gear, so it can be multi-purpose. Put your sleep system in it would make a lot of sense, but other things. And then it has a place for you to insert your valve. So you open the valve on the Uberlite or whatever sleeping bag you have, put this over it, and then you billow this up with air, and then cinch the top and push it down, and it fills the bag pretty efficiently. So that'll be something that we're trying out. There's some other things you can do with these. This really isn't a gear review, it's just an unboxing, so we're gonna move on. But right now I think this is on sale. You may check out Amazon. I wanna say it was around 29, 30 bucks. Let's see. Another one here that I got to Amazon. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is a Keith titanium product. So I've been wanting to experiment before hitting the trail for some backcountry adventures this summer, experiment with changing up my cook gear a little bit so that I have more options, especially in areas like in the Wind River Range, or if you're in anywhere really in the Rockies where they have trout and you are trout fishing. You know, just having a larger frying pan than the little kit frying pans. And so that's what this is. I want to say this is 5 ounces. This is my memory serves. But again, not a gear review. So if you guys are interested in gear reviews on some of these products, let me know in the comments and we'll dive into it. But definitely bigger than your average mess kit, you know, ultralight cook kit frying pan. So you could actually probably do keto pancakes or certainly eggs in this with no problem, and you know, fish. So we'll check that. And I've got, I think, this product. Hopefully this is from REI. That's who this is from. And let's just see how this lid mates up with this product. Shove the package right down in there. And so this is a new edition. It's supposed to weigh 16 ounce total, and it should be coated with a ceramic coating on it. So let's see how this works. Got a lid with a strainer on it. There's a nested pot on the inside, and yeah, this is coated with like the ceramic non-stick coating is what these particular pots are, and they use a universal handle on them. So there's a smaller one and a larger one, and at least one of the trips that I'm going on this summer, it's gonna have several people, and a lot of times, you know, I'm just cooking for buddy pairs, but in this case I'm not sure yet, and I thought this would be great for either family camping options or when camping and cooking with more than just a buddy pair type cook system. So interesting. Let's see. Not a tight fit, but I bet you I can get it packed in my pack. All right, so that's those items. And now for one of the more expensive purchases I've made this year, we've got a box here from Z-Packs, and it has some interesting items in it. Oh. We got 2 things in here, and the first one is Z-Packs Arc Haul Zip backpack. And this is the pack that I'm hoping to use on the outing starting this spring. Actually, probably here at the end of March, going on a backpacking trip in southeast Kansas, Elk City Trail. And I'll probably be using this bag. And this is not a review, it's just an opening, but it's got all the standard features that I like. So it's got nice pockets where you can reach back and get water, put your platypus in here. It's got pockets on the belt. It does have a frame, which is why I wanted it, because of carrying the extra camping gear. So awesome. We'll start using this and maybe do a review on it once we've used it a little bit. And like I said, leave comments below if you're interested in that. And lastly, starting in March, I'll probably use this to replace the Black Diamond Mega Mid and Mega Bud, which we normally take when doing backcountry stuff. I think you guys saw it when we did the this last summer's Wind River trip. And it's a really large tent. It's huge, but it weighs, you know, just over 4 pounds more or less. If you're using your hiking stays as the center pole. And this is Z-Packs triplex tent, and I'm not going to open it up here because you guys can go look at it online, but this should be more than ample and provide plenty of bug protection for, you know, high altitude, Wind River range and Rockies kind of outings where you need the bug protection. And in the Wind River range around the Gannett Peak area, man, the mosquitoes can be tough. So this is great. And I think this comes in, I haven't weighed it yet on my scale because I just unboxed it, but I think it should come in at around 21, 22 ounces is the advertised weight. And it's certainly light. And it's just the one piece. So the bug netting and the rain protection are all together. So really neat piece of gear, and I'll probably do something on it, although YouTube is full of reviews on at least the duplex version of this tent, which is just smaller. So that's it. That kind of covers it for the gear review today, or unboxing for today. And thanks for joining. Again, if you have questions or comments or things that you want to see, leave those in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, please take a minute, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that you get notifications every time that we update new content here on the channel. And stay tuned, because we will be putting out a Keto Trail backpacking recipe, at least one, here in the month of March. And then we've got some other tech videos coming up too. So keep it on the trail, and remember, get up, get out, live a little. Thanks. See ya.